If you're managing multiple clients and every project feels scattered, different deadlines, different files, and different messages, this video will save you hours every week. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use ClickUp for project management for multiple clients in a way that stays organized, scalable, and stress-free. No theory, just a simple, clean system that you can actually use. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description, which will allow you to sign up for completely free and follow along. And when I say free, you can actually use it free forever with the steps that I'm about to show you. Now, let's dive in. Most people think ClickUp is difficult to use, but it isn't. It's the way how you structure it. With ClickUp, all you need to do once you're on their homepage, you're going to tap on Get Started. It's free. From there, you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your workspace. And your workspace is what's going to entail everything about your business. So my workspace is called Project Management. You can call yours whatever you want. After you have done that, you're going to see the option Spaces. And Spaces will be different departments, and in this case, Spaces is going to be different clients. So you want to go over to the left-hand menu option, and we're going to be creating one space which will equal one client, and inside that space we're going to be creating one project which will include one list. This keeps clients separated while still letting you manage everything from one dashboard. So the first thing you want to do is create a dedicated space. You're going to tap on the plus in line with space, and from here you could create a new space and you could name it something, for example like me, client projects, or you could call it client works or agency projects. This space will hold all client related work, nothing else. So you're going to create your space right there. Now after you have created the space, you can see I've created one by the name of client projects. Inside that space, you're going to tap on the three dots, or you can tap on the plus right here. So you're going to tap on the three dots and you're going to be creating a folder. Now, this folder is going to represent a client. So each folder represents a client. So for example, you're going to scroll across and you're going to select Create New. After you have done that, you're going to see the option Folder. You're going to tap on Folder. And for example, you could call it Client A Marketing, Client B Web Design, Client C Consulting. This instantly separates work and prevents cross-client confusion. This is the step most people skip, and it's why their ClickUp gets messy. So you want to create a client right there. After you have done that, you're going to simply tap on Save. Now, next thing you're going to be doing, you're going to be creating a list for each client project. So inside each client folder, you're going to be creating a list. So I've created right here a folder by the name of Joseph Marketing, and I'm going to be creating a list. I've created a list already for monthly content, and you can also see a different client right here that I've created for folder Amy Web Design. So let's say I were to create a list for Amy. All I would need to do is simply tap right here where you see list. You can tap on the three dots. Then you're going to see the option Create New. And you're going to tap on Create New List. And let's say, for example, this new list will be SEO marketing or SEO campaign. So I'm just going to type in SEO campaign right here. And we're going to tap on Create. And you can see right there that I've now created a new list, and we're going to tap on Apply Suggestions. Some examples that may come in helpful for you would be website redesign, monthly content, SEO campaign, retainer tasks, or so on. And each list represents one project, not one client. This gives you a clear scope, clean timelines, and accurate workload tracking. The next thing I want to show you is how to manage multiple clients efficiently. Your task statuses need to be consistent. So your task statuses, as you can see right here, you have not started, in progress, and complete. Now the next thing I'll be showing you is how to use task statuses to work across clients. So to manage multiple clients efficiently, your task statuses need to be consistent. So at the moment, mine is not started, in progress, and completed. I would also recommend that you add different statuses. So for example, review. So all you need to do is simply scroll down and you're going to see the option New Status. And I could call this New Status Review right here. So I could type in review, then tap on Enter. And I can also create different status. For example, you have in progress, to do, waiting on client, completed, and so on. This lets you instantly see what's blocked, what needs follow up, and what's actually moving. After you have created the statuses, what I want you to do next is you're going to change the view. So you can tap on campaign board right here and you'll be able to view it this way, or you can simply tap on the plus if you don't see that option, and you could select Kanban board, as I prefer the Kanban board view, which would give you this view as you can see right here. So you can see how it looks. By doing this, you'll now be able to create tasks and you'll be able to track it. So for example, let's say we were to tap on add campaign right here. After you have tapped on add campaign, from here you'll be able to create a task. So for example, I'm just going to be calling this a random name. So I have SEO campaign. Let's say SEO campaign for Go High Level website. So I'll type in Go High Level website right here. And I'm just going to tap on enter. After you have done that, you can tap on the task that you have created. And then from there, you can choose the date that you would like to start. So with this, you'll be able to select a start and due date. So you'll automatically get a reminder when that task is due. So you can tap right here. And let's say, for example, I would like to start a task on the 15th. I can select that right there. After you have done that, you can also select when you would like to complete that task. You can also choose the priority. So whether it be normal priority, high priority, or urgent, you can select whichever one of these options. And if it's a case that you're working with team members, you can also assign it to a particular team member. You also have their time tracker option, as you can see right here. And once you have created a task, you can scroll down and you could fill in the different fields. And if you like to create a custom field, you can tap on the plus right here, tap on create field. Then from there, you could select text and you can give the field a name. And this will better help you to monitor different things and also add different things related to that particular task or client. You can also create subtasks. You can scroll down, and if it is a case that you have any attachment, any files or so on that you would like to upload, you can quickly upload it right here by simply tapping on upload. So with ClickUp, you are given numerous options. So for example, you can have different fields like client name, billing type, priority, due date, and also internal owner. Now you can filter, sort, or report across all clients at once. And next, the other thing that I would recommend you do is, since we're working with multiple clients, I would recommend that you use templates to scale client work. So if you want to repeat similar work for clients, templates are non-negotiable. To repeat these, let's say for example, I have another client that also is interested in web design. All I would need to do to copy it is simply tap on the three dots in line with Amy. After I've done that, you will see the option duplicate. I'll simply tap on duplicate right there. Then you could change the name. So let's say I were to change the name to Joe. And I'm just going to remove copy. Then I'll tap on duplicate. And just like that, I've created another folder, as you can see right here. So this will help to save you a lot of time. So for example, you can create templates or you can duplicate. And to create a template, by the way, you can simply tap on the three dots. After you have tapped on the three dots, you will see the option templates. And you can tap on save as template so you can use it as a template. By doing this, you can create templates or duplicates for client onboarding projects, monthly deliverables, website builds, marketing campaigns. So when a new client signs up, you can duplicate the folder or list, rename it just like what I've shown you, and you're ready to go in minutes. This is how agencies scale without chaos. Now, here's how you avoid clicking into 20 folders every day. I recommend that you create a dashboard. To create a dashboard, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on more. Then you're going to select dashboards. After you have selected dashboards, from here, you're just going to tap on simple dashboard. Or you could choose the project management dashboard. You can see which one of them best suits you. Then you're just going to select spaces. After you have done that, you're going to tap on create dashboard. By creating a dashboard, you'll be able to view tasks due today, tasks waiting on clients, overdue tasks, and workload by team members. This becomes your command center for client management. Once you sign into ClickUp now, you'll be able to see everything right away right here. Who is this system perfect for? This setup is ideal if you're a freelancer with multiple clients, a consultant managing parallel projects, an agency with recurring client work, a service business scaling operations. If client work is your income, this system pays for itself. So quickly to recap, what I recommend is one space for client work, one folder for clients, and one list per project, and consistent statuses, templates for scale, and dashboard for control. That's how you use ClickUp for project management with multiple clients without burnout. If this helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp workflows, and comment clients if you want me to share a ready-to-use ClickUp template for managing multiple clients. Thanks for watching.